All right, this is Victor. He's been here for a couple months now. He was feeling very tight and grouchy a little bit too, a little bit weak, a little sore. Tell us your story, Victor. What was going on when you first came in?
Really tight. Been in pain. After a month and a half, it just wouldn't go away up until you guys started telling me, you got to work on yourself. If not, you're not going to get better. I started doing yoga, recommended, and it worked. It's my last day here. I feel better. These guys do a good job. Recommend it. Give these guys a visit.
Why did yoga help you?
A lot of stretches.
Okay.
A lot of stretches. If you're always still, you're not moving around, you're not gonna heal. You gotta be moving around. You gotta do something.
We all have to increase our flexibility. That's the key. I know Victor's emotional about the yoga, so I understand. But it was painful, right? First time I did yoga too, it was painful.
Yeah, it's a lot of breathing, a lot, but it helps.
Yes, it
People
helps.
think it'd be easy, but it's not.
It isn't. It's
not.
Oh gosh, especially for someone who's strong, to get the flexibility to balance it out is not easy.
Right.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you, Victor. How'd you like the staff here? Did the staff help you out okay?
Oh, it's great. They're great.
Good. If not, I'll fire all of them.
No, they're
All
great.
right. Well, good. Thank you, my friend. Have a good day.